Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, let's start with these cards. We have Moon in reverse, guys. Sun in reverse. Hangman. So, for your general energies, guys. So, in your circumstances today, Virgos, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in your relationship, there are major changes happening. So, in your life, in your personal life, maybe you have faced a lot of obstacles, a lot of stressful situations. And you are, you have that clarity in your heart today, guys. Maybe things are really difficult situations have been there in your life. But no matter what it was, whatever the situation was, you have learned your lesson or you have a lot of experience and you have gained a lot of knowledge today, guys. And you have that acceptance for truth. So, whatever has happened, maybe it may be your own making or there may be some people involved, the reason for such situation. But whatever it is, you have accepted that situation wholeheartedly and you are moving forward in your life, guys, moving forward, looking towards the future. So, what needs to be done next? So, you have your own dreams, your own ambitions, aspirations, whatever it is for your future. And you are moving towards that. Maybe today you may not see the clear path. You have your dreams, but you do not know the ways to achieve that yet. So something is, giving that vagueness or uncertainty in your situation, guys. So, but you need to understand that you are going to see great changes happening in your life, guys. Virgos, it may be in your career or in your relationship. So, whatever delays or suspensions, whatever was not clear, you are going to see it through. So, the same way in this relationship, maybe with this person you love, you would have had a lot of misunderstanding, arguments regarding something. But today you are emotionally balanced in your heart of hearts. You feel that it is enough fighting or doing the things in a negative way. You don't want to do that anymore today, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card. It's Temperance. So with this card, it looks like you, just like I said, you are seeing things more clearly today. You have that balance, calmness, and patience in your heart. And you are trying to understand your circumstances and you're trying to change yourself. You're trying to do something to find that balance. So whatever needs to be done, you are doing that to have that happiness with this person you love and peace of mind. You want that. So you are moving towards that, guys. Maybe in your past, you would have had a lot of problems, but you want to change all that, Virgos. That is what I see. So for your career situation, Virgos, we picked one card and it is Five of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are, what to say, finding the right solution. So whatever needs to be done to resolve the problems you may have. So you are settling scores. Maybe in your work, you would have faced a lot of work tension or anxiety with people competing with you. Maybe now you are on a friendly term with that person, getting along very well, trying to adapt, and things are going more smoothly now, guys, for you all Virgos in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that. They are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single-mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you're doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys. And people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature. And people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So how to do that? So closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about, and that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.